everybody, this is Chuck, and I want to thank you for stopping by my shop. Today we're going to do a second review on the JICCODA 10-watt laser. I've added the air assist and have been doing some cutting, and in my last video I mentioned that I wasn't going to get artsy, but kind of played around here. Did a little thing for my wife. Brooke and Brady are our grandchildren, so that was kind of fun. Burned it into some wood there. But since then, I've been doing quite a bit of experimenting with different materials to find out speeds and feeds for cutting, and I had good luck with oak. This is a 1/4-inch thick oak, and 3 passes at 200 millimeters and 100%, and it would cut it. Did a nice job. Interesting enough, it doesn't like cutting particle board, 1/4-inch particle board. I made numerous attempts and passes, different speeds, and it must be the glue that's in the particle board that creates the issue. It'd be my only guess. And just fooled around a little layout on melamine. Not that I was going to try to cut something 3/4 of an inch thick, but I wanted to see how the laser would burn in the melamine. And what else did I do here? I did some 1/2-inch ply. Of course, that didn't work. I kind of knew that was going to happen. And I've got sheets of beautiful walnut veneer, and it has some sort of like particle board center. So I would cut it. I don't know if this will show up or not, but on the back side there, you can see possibly a burn line that was starting to come through from the front. Well, that was slowed down to 100 millimeters is on the pass at 100%, 4 passes, and it just wouldn't break through. I tried numerous ones. Again, you can see where they probably just started to try to come through, but they just it just wouldn't finish it. Would have been nice if it would burn this, because like I said, I've got a lot of it. And I did another one here on another piece of wood, 200 at 100%, and 3 passes, and it would cut it. So all in all, not bad. Then I had the bright idea. Let me grab this. I had the bright idea of burning out a holder for 1, 2, 3 blocks in my drawer. So the width of this piece here is the width of the drawer, and I could get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 1, 2, 3 blocks in there, and I got it to burn through. It did it. But it just didn't do it enough. And so you can see that's the front side, and then the back side you can see where it was just starting to go through, and they'll break right apart right there. They're ready to break apart. But what happened is, when I started breaking it apart, my little dividers, which were not that wide because I wanted to get as many blocks as I could, it was a failure. So it's all part of learning, but it will cut 1/4-inch oak. So I've got a set of dominoes now for playing with 1/4-inch oak. Okay, so that's kind of to bring you up to date where I'm at with the machine. As you know, last time I did a layout on metal and made the part wherever it went to, but I did add the air assist on this, and we're going to move over and talk about that. couple things. The interesting about air assist, it's right here. I don't know if you can hear it. It's running there right now. In Lightburn, it asks you if you have air assist or not, and there's a little thing you press it, red or green. Well, that doesn't control anything, and so you have to remember to turn on the air assist, which is not intuitive to do. And the second thing is that it's simple to just walk away and leave it on. I was having a problem doing that also because it's not that loud. But anyway, the air assist is hooked up, and that's what we're going to talk about. So I'm going to move the camera, and we'll get to it. So here's the air assist, the little compressor, and basically off, and it's got a speed control for how much air. It would be nice if it had an idiot light to show you that it's on. You know, if you had it on low, you can't hear it. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is putting a power panel here with a switch so I can just kill everything, kill the laser and this when I walk away. But enough said on that. Now, adding the air assist on this unit was a little troubling. So, clean off the burn here. So there's the air assist nozzle that goes on to the end of the laser head there, and you can see that it's coming in on the back side of this plastic guard here, which is one of your lens protectors. Of course, you wear the green glasses, but you have this also. Well, this would not install if this was in place. And you say, well, you just said it won't install. How'd you do it, Charlie? So I ended up put it in the mill, and I had to mill out the inside of this lens so that this unit, the air unit, would fit. Worked out well, but I'm going to say most people that purchase this laser don't have the machinery to go ahead and mill out this piece. I did not want to really use this laser without this other guard in place. You know, I'm a newbie at this, but they mentioned just even stray light is not good. Of course, you have the glasses that they provide. You wear those. So anyway, the air assist can go on. You lose the shield if you're going to install the air assist on this. And routing the line and stuff was very, very simple. So don't really like the fact that you got to take that shield off to use the machine. That's the update today. I'm still having fun with it, still learning, doing better at Lightburn, and I wish my little idea here worked out for the 1, 2, 3 blocks, but oh well. Try again, Charlie. All right, that's it. That's it. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.